Hello, hope now you can hear me and see me clearly. Okay, today I am going to explain about key paper of one sample paper. Hope all of you are completed your chapter wise revision. Now we will discuss how questions will come in the sample paper board exam. First question is about LCM and HCF first chapter. There what it is given, LCM is given and HCF is given. We know LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Let us take the two numbers be A and B. So A into B. So here what is the concept? LCM is given as 252 into K into HCF is 40. 252 into K into HCF is 40 is equal to A into B. A is 2520 and B is 6600. We want the value of K here. K is equal to 2520 into 6600 by 252 into 40. Here 252 ones are, 252 tens are, 10 also we can cancel. Now 4 ones are 4, 2 6 26, so 4 6 are 24, 2 0 20, 4 5 are 20, then 0. So what is the value of K? K is 1650. So first question is about LCM and HCF. LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. That relation we have to use to get the solution. Now the second question is pair of linear equations in two variables. What it is given? They both are coincident lines. Then we have to find out the value of K. When two lines are coincident, what is the condition we know? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. We have to get the value of K. So 8 by K is equal to, because A1 is 8, A2 is K, 8 by K is equal to minus 4 by minus 1. Minus 4 by minus 1. So what happens? Minus minus cancel, cross multiplication. Therefore 4K is equal to 8, K is equal to 8 by 4, which is 2. So what K is equal to 2 is the correct answer. K is equal to 2 is correct answer. Option B. First one option A, second one option B, third one is about triangles. It is triangle related question. Let us do in another page. Let us take this picture here to understand better. What we have to find out in this? We have to find out the length of ST. To get the length of ST, what information is given in this? PQR is equal to STQ. PQR, this is PQR. Angle PQR is equal to angle STQ. Where is STQ? This is STQ. So we have two triangles in that. One is like this. This is PQR, and one more STQ is also there. In STQ and PQR we have one angle common, that is Q. Q is common in both. PQR is equal to STQ. Angle PQR is equal to, so this angle is equal to STQ. These two are equal, it is given. ST divide QR in the ratio 2:3. So here what happens, these two are also equal according to the diagram. So what, we have to take corresponding sides ratio now. ST divides QR in the ratio 2:3. ST is here, QR is dividing 2:3. So this is 2, this is 3. QR in the ratio 2:3. So this is also 2, 3. So here what happens, SQ is 3, whereas PQ is 5. We want ST in this, ST we don't know. QR we know, QR is what again? 5. PR is given 20. So corresponding sides ratio we have to take. Then what? 5/3, because these two are corresponding sides. 5/3 is equal to 20/x. Then after doing cross multiplication, 5x is equal to 60. X is equal to 60/5. So therefore x is what? 12 centimeters. Option C is correct. Question number 3. You can check your answers correct or not. Now the next question. Next question is, it is about quadratic equations. In quadratic equations, they said roots are real and equal. When roots are real and equal, concept is related to discriminant. So what we have to take when equation is given, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation and its roots are real and equal, then what we take, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That is the condition. From this what we can write, b square is equal to 4ac. But what we want in this, we want the value of c value. So when you want the value of c, transpose 4a this side. Therefore we get c is equal to b square by 4a. This is the option. Which option? Option C is correct. Hope you understood this. Now question number 5. Yeah, question number 5, what is the answer? The ratio of arc lengths of minor sector and major sector is 2:3, and the angle made by the minor arc at the center of the circle is. What happens? We have a circle, in a circle major arc and minor arc. For example, like this we have, this is minor arc, this is major arc. Ratio of angles it is given 2:7. Then total number of parts how many? 9. So we want minor arc. Then what is the angle? It will be 2/9 into 360. If you want major arc, what you have to do? Angle made by the major arc, if you want, 7 by 9 into 360. So 9 ones are 9, 40 degrees. So 2 into 40 degrees, 80 degrees. This is what angle made by the minor arc. So option A is correct. Now question number 6. If minus 2 comma 3 is the center of the circle having the end points. So this is about coordinate geometry. End points of the circle are given. Did you get anybody answer this one? C is the center. A is 4 comma minus 2. B is x comma 8. We want the value of 8 here. We want the value of 8. What is the center here? 4 minus 2 comma 3. So because we want the value of 8 and it is the center, midpoint concept. So midpoint formula is what? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. But we want only value of x. So what it will be? Is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to, here it is minus 2. So what? 4 plus x2 is x. 4 plus x by 2 is equal to minus 2. So 4 plus x is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 minus 4. X is equal to minus 8. X is equal to minus 8. Option D. Question number 6. Option D. Now did you get anybody question number 7 answered? Question number 7. Here I told one easy method to get the answer quickly. What it is? Yeah, let us see. Whenever question comes like this, I said here this angle is half of the angle at the center. Half of the angle at the center. So when angle at the center is 65 degrees, and what is the angle QPT? Angle QPT is half of 65. 65 degrees by 2. What it is? Angle QPT is equal to 32.5 degrees. 32.5 degrees, option D. Question number 7. Yeah, very good. Most of you got correct. Sai Puneet, Charit, I don't know, Rocky. Who is this? Answer is D. Question number 7. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is nth term is given an, arithmetic progressions. An is given as 7 minus 4n, and they are asking to find out the common difference. So how can we do? A1 is equal to 7 minus 4 into 1, which is 7 minus 4, 3. And A2 is equal to 7 minus 4 into 2, which is 7 minus 8 minus 1. D is equal to A2 minus A1. So minus 1 minus 3, which is minus 4. So option C. Here easy technique to find out D is the coefficient of n. What is the coefficient of n here? Coefficient of n is minus 4. D is minus 4. To get quickly, you can follow like that. Whenever an is given, coefficient of n is only D. Question number 8, minus 4. Now question number 9 is related to coordinate geometry, distance between 2 points. Did you get anybody question number 9 answer? Points are given m comma minus n and another one minus m comma n. What is the formula we have? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what? M minus of minus m plus m. So 2m whole square plus minus n is what? Minus 2n whole square, which is nothing but root of 4m square plus 4n square. We can take 4 common out. If you take 4 common out, it will be root 4. Root 4 is 2. So 2 of root of m square plus n square. 2 into root of m square plus n square. Answer is C. Question number 9. Option C is correct. Very good, Swaraj, Sai Puneet, Charit. Question number and answer you type, so that I will have idea. Question number and answer. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is related to surface areas and volumes. We want the surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere formula. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. But what it is given here, if the diameter is given, r is equal to, diameter is equal to 2 times r, then r is equal to d by 2. In the place of r, we have to write d by 2 whole square. D by 2 whole square, then what happens? 4 pi d square by 4. 4 cancel. 4 cancel, only pi d square will be left. Pi d square is left. Option B, correct. ML Abhinav, Sai Puneet, Swaraj, Charit, Rocky, all are correct. Answer B is correct. Pi d square. Question number 11 is again arithmetic progressions. Here an general form of arithmetic progression is given. Then we want D. So to get D, 1 we will find out S2 minus S1. If you find S2 minus S1, what is S2 minus S1? S2 is S2 means what? N by 2. Oh, 2 by 2. N by 2 is nothing but 2 by 2, no? 2 by 2 into 2a plus 2 minus 1 into d minus this is a, because S1 is a itself. Then what happens? 2 cancel. 2a plus d minus a. 2a plus d minus a. 2a minus a. So the result is a plus d but not d. Option A is not correct. Option B is what? S2 minus 2s1. It is not S2 minus S1. So here we have to find out S2 minus 2s1. Option A is S2 minus 2s1. Let us find out S2 minus 2s1 what it is. S2 minus 2s1 is 2 by 2 2a plus 2 minus 1 into d minus 2 into S1 is a itself. So 2 cancel, this is 2a plus d minus 2a, which is 2a cancel, we got the result d. So which option is correct? Option A is correct here. 11th one, option A. Charishma, New, Charit, Rocky are correct. Question number 12. Question number 12, what it is given? Sin A is equal to 1 by root 2, trigonometry. We have to find out cot 2a. Did you get anybody answer? What is cot 2a? If sin A is equal to 1 by root 2, A is equal to 45 degrees. Then cot 2a is what? Cot 2 of 45 degrees, which is cot 90 degrees. Cot 90 degrees is 0, no? Because tan 90 degrees is undefined, cot 90 degrees is 0. Which option? Option D. 12th question, option D is correct. Rocky is wrong. Anand correct, Charit correct, ML Abhinav deleted. Deepak, 12th D is correct. Why? Because cot 90 degrees is 0. Cot 90 degrees is not defined. Tan 90 degrees is not defined. Then cot 90 degrees is 0. You have to be very careful about these values, because compulsory questions will come for 1 mark and 2 marks. Questions will come based on the table. You try to remember the values. Don't do the mistakes in the exam. Question number 13. Now question number 13, secant A minus tan A, again trigonometry. Secant A minus tan A is given. How much? 1 by 7. They are asking the value of 1 plus sin A by cos A. Do not confuse. Just try to simplify this value. If you simplify this value, this is 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Hope you understood this step. Now what is 1 by cos A? 1 by cos A is secant A plus sin A by cos A is tan A. So they have given secant A minus tan A and they are asking secant A plus tan A. I gave you one very important relation between secant A minus tan A and secant A plus tan A. I said they both are reciprocals of each other. Secant A plus tan A and secant A minus tan A are reciprocals of each other. Then secant A plus tan A is what? 7. Which option? Option B. Question number 13, option B. First you have to simplify this. 1 plus sin A by cos A, you simplify it. Then you get secant A plus tan A. Then once you get secant A plus tan A, we know they both are reciprocal. If that is 1 by 7, this is 7. Next, question number 14. It is applications of trigonometry. Here what it is given? The ratio of lengths of pole and its shadow. Length of a pole and its shadow is root 3 by 1. Then draw a rough figure quickly. Length of a pole. This is length of a pole and this is its shadow. Length of a pole is how much? Root 3 and its shadow is 1. Then we want this angle. Which trigonometric ratio? Tan we have to take. Tan theta. Because it is opposite and adjacent, tan theta we have to take. It is root 3 by 1. Again you have to remember the table. What is tan theta? Where at what angle tan theta is root 3? Tan theta is root 3 at angle 60 degrees. Therefore, tan theta is equal to tan 60 degrees. So, theta is 60 degrees. Option A. Option A is correct. Question number 14 is done. Now, question number 15. Question number 15 is probability. A fair coin is tossed twice, then the probability of getting no tail is. 15th, did you get answer? 15th answer. A fair coin is tossed twice, then the probability of getting no tail. When one coin is tossed twice, then the favorable total possible outcomes are HH, HT, TH, TT. What we want? We want no tails. In which outcome we have no tails? Only in this first outcome we have no tails. In remaining all we have tails. So how many favorable outcomes? One favorable outcome and the total 4 are there, then the probability is 1 by 4. This is simple one. Hope everybody got it. Option C is correct. Option C. Question number 15. Question number 16. Question number 16 is about deck of cards. Did you get anybody question number 16 answer? There are 52 cards. In that aces are removed. From 52 cards, ace, all the aces are removed. How many aces will be there? 4 aces. Subtract 4. Then the total number of cards are now 48. Now they are asking to find probability of a black queen. Total number of queens 4, but now we want only black queen. We have 2 black queens, 2 red queens. So black queens are only 2. So probability will be 2 by total how many now? 48. So the probability is 1 by 24. Which option? Option C. 16th option C. Very good. Most of you got correct. Anand, Ananya, Charit, Tamil, Abhinav, Rocky. Option C is correct. Now question number 17 is about statistics. The sum of lower limit and upper limit of the median class is, we have to find out the median class. If you count total number of observations, how many? 5 plus 8, 13 plus 7, 20 plus 12, 32 plus 18, 50. We have to find out n by 2. N by 2 is what? 50 by 2. 50 by 2 is 25. We have to see where 25th observation is present. 25th observation is in 5 plus 8, 13 plus 7, 20 plus 12, 32. So this is 30 to 40 is median class. 30 to 40 is median class. We want sum of upper limit and lower limit of the median class. So 30 plus 40, which is equal to 70. Option B is correct. So all of you 17, very good. Rocky, Charit, Anand, Ananya, ML Abhinav, Deepak. Yes, all of you are correct. It is 70. Now question number 18. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 4x square minus 3x minus 7. We have to find out 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Do you remember how to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is nothing but alpha plus beta by alpha beta after taking LCM. It is minus b by a by c by a. After that we cancel it, which is minus b by c. Minus b is minus of minus b, that is 3, by c is 7. So what is the answer? 3 by 7, not minus 3 by 7, no. Oh, minus 7. 3 by minus 7 it is. Correct, correct. You are correct. 3 by minus 7, which is minus 3 by 7. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Minus 3 by 7. Oh. Sometimes video is getting stuck. Okay. Now question number 18 is done. Question number 19 and 20 are assertion and reasoning. Question number 19 is given the length of a minute hand, means radius is given 7 centimeters and the angle is given 5 minutes. 5 minutes means how much angle it will make? In 5 minutes it will make 30 degrees angle. So theta is equal to 30 degrees. Then what is the formula? Area of sector is equal to 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square, 7 into 7. 7 cancel, 0 cancel, 3 1s are 3 12s are. So what it is? 12 into 7 by 22 into 7 by 12. Still we can further cancel, 2 6s are 2 11s are. So finally we got 77 by 6. So if you divide this 77 by 6, what we get? 6 12s are 72, 5 is the remainder. If you convert this into mixed fraction, we can write it as 12 5 by 6 centimeter square, which is true. 12 5 by 6 centimeter square. You should know how to convert that into mixed fraction. Assertion is true, reason is true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option A is correct. All of you are correct. Anand, Charit, ML Abhinav, Deepak. Now question number 20. Question number 20. is about again circles. At a point P of a circle, the center O and radius 12 centimeters. A tangent PQ of length 16 centimeters. So here you draw the figure, circle, what it is given, radius is given 12 centimeters and length of the tangent is given 16 centimeters and the distance is given 18 centimeters. Then you have to check whether 16 square plus 12 square is 18 square or not. 256 plus 144, how much? 400. So this is 20 square but not 18 square. So 16 square plus 12 square is not equal to 18 square. So assertion is false, reason is true. Assertion is false, reason is true because the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to radius through point of contact. That is true. So option D is correct. Question number 20, option D is correct. Hope you understood this, all objective type questions. You have to do in a quick manner and accurate, correct answers you have to get. Now question number 21, section B. We have to find out the number which is exactly divides 70 and 125, leaving remainder 5 and 8 respectively. We have to find out 70 and 125. Which number divides 70 and 125, leaving the remainders 5 and 8. So directly we should not find out the HCF. Generally if they ask you to find number which divides these two, a largest number that divides these two, then you can find out HCF directly. But they are asking you to find out a largest number which is leaving remainder 5 and 8. So what you have to do, first subtract 5 here from the first number, 70 minus 5, and from the second number 8. Then we get the two numbers 65 and 117. Now what it means, you have to find out the largest number that divides these two. Largest number that divides 16 and 117. We all know 65 is equal to 13 into 5 and 117 is equal to 13 into 9. So which number is dividing these two? 13 is the HCF, common factor. So what? 13 is the largest number. That divides 70, 125, leaves remainders 5 and 7 respectively, not 7, no, 8. 5 and 8 respectively. Hope you understood this. How to do? 13 is the answer, correct. All of you are correct. So here they did not ask you directly HCF. First after subtracting, you have to do subtraction and then find out the HCF. Now question number 22. In question number 22, what we have to do? AB, BC, CA are the sides of the triangle ABC. Let us take that triangle here. This is from circles again. Oh, it took very much time to get the figure here. Okay, let us draw that figure here. What it is given, AB, BC, CA, and perimeter is also given. So what information we know here? AP is equal to 5 centimeters. We know AP 5 centimeters, and one more information, BP is 4 centimeters. BP is also given 4 centimeters. When BP is 4 centimeters, we know OB is also 4 centimeters because they are lengths of tangents. When AP is 5, AR is also 5 centimeters. AP is equal to AR. Now they are asking to find BC and AC. To get BC and AC, we don't know OC and OR, OC and CR. Let us take X and X because these two are also equal. Now what is the perimeter? Perimeter of a triangle is AB plus BC plus CA is equal to how much we know? 32, because perimeter is given 32. In this, AB is what? 9 plus BC is what? X plus 4 plus AC is what? X plus 5 is equal to 32. Then we get here x plus x, 2x plus 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. 18 is equal to 32. Then 2x is equal to 32 minus 18. 2x is equal to how much it is? 14. Then x is equal to 7. If x is equal to 7, we want BC. BC is equal to x plus 4, which is 7 plus 4, 11 centimeters. And one more AC. AC is equal to x plus 5, 7 plus 5, which is 12 centimeters. Hope you understood these two, 11 and 12 centimeters. Very good. All of your answers are correct. Anand, Swarag, Abhinav, Charit. Remaining all of you are not there. You are not giving answers. 22 is done. Now 23. Question number 23 is from triangles topic. In triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. Figure is not given. Let us draw the figure. ABC, D is parallel to BC. D is parallel to BC, and AD is equal to X. It is given ADX, and DB is equal to X minus 2. X minus 2. AE is X plus 2. X plus 2, and EC is X minus 1. We have to find the value of X. So it is what basic proportionality theorem we can use. Given D is parallel to BC, so what we can write? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC from BPT. Then we substitute X by X minus 2 is equal to X plus 2 by X minus 1. After doing cross multiplication, X minus X, X into X minus 1 is equal to X plus 2 into X minus 2. So what it is? X square minus X is equal to X square minus 4. X square cancel, minus minus cancel, X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Hope all of you got correct answer. Yes. Yes, X is equal to 4, question number 23. In that another question is there, or question in 23B. By using converse of basic proportionality theorem, prove that the line joining midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. Then here what we have to do? We have to take a triangle like this ABC, and we draw one line which joins midpoints D and E. So here what we write? First given. In given what we have to write? In triangle ABC, D is midpoint, we know, of AB, and E is midpoint of AC. That is we know. Then required to prove, what we have to prove? We have to prove that D is parallel to BC. Required to prove. Then construction is not required, proof directly. In proof, we have to find out AD by DB value. You know, AD by DB can be written as AD by AD. Why? Because since AD is equal to DB, because D is the midpoint. So ratio is 1. Similarly, AE by EC is equal to AE by AE we can write again. Why? Because again AE is equal to EC because E is midpoint. So because we got AD by DB and AE by EC same, what we say? By converse of basic proportionality theorem, DE is parallel to BC. Because if two sides are divided in the same ratio by a line, and the line is parallel to third side by converse of basic proportionality theorem. This is the proof for question number 23B. Now question number 24. Question number 24, sine of A plus B is given 1. One more, cos of A minus B is given root 3 by 2. Again the table. This is why I tell you to remember the table correctly. Yeah, ML Abhinav got answer, Rocky got answer. What is the answer here? A plus B is equal to 60 degrees, one option. First equation. A minus B, I am not writing stepwise. If you write stepwise, how it will be? All these steps you have to write like this. Sine of A plus B is equal to sine 60 degrees. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees, equation 1. Cos of A minus B is equal to, at what angle it is root 3 by 2? 30 degrees. So cos 30 degrees. A minus B is equal to 30 degrees, equation 2. So A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. After doing elimination method, 2A is equal to 90 degrees. A is equal to 90 by 2. How much? 45 degrees. A is equal to 60 degrees you all got. Okay, I have taken wrong. You are correct. This is sine 90 degrees. Sine 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees. Then this is also 90 degrees here. -90 degrees. This is 2A is equal to 120 degrees. What you did is correct. This will be A is equal to 60 degrees. A is equal to 60 degrees. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So 60 plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So B is equal to 30 degrees. A is 60, B is 30. Your answers are correct. Next question, question number 25. Did you do anybody question number 25? There are two questions. One is perimeter of a sector, it is given. Perimeter of a sector is what? L plus 2R. Perimeter of a sector is L plus 2R, that is given as 5.2. And one more, 5.2. 5.2 is radius. Perimeter is 16.4. Perimeter is given as 16.4 and radius is given as 5.2. So how can we find out? Now substitute R value here so that we get L first. L plus 2 into 5.2 is equal to 16.4. L plus 10.4 is equal to 16.4. L is equal to 16.4 minus 10.4. L is equal to 6 centimeters. Once you know L, we have area formula. Area of sector is equal to, one we know theta by 360 into pi r square and another is LR by 2. LR by 2. So L is here 6 into R is 5.2 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So what it is? 3 5s are 15, 15 0.6 centimeter square. This is what area of a sector. Area of sector, question number 25. Suppose if you do not know the first one, how to do length and radius of sector when it is given, or perimeter of sector and radius when it is given, area of sector, if you do not know how to find, one more question is given, that is to find out the minor segment of the circle, area of minor segment of the circle. So there what, how can we follow? Remember all of you how to find area of a minor segment? 25b. Area of segment is what formula? Area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. So what is area of a sector? Angle is 90 degrees here. Angle is given 90 degrees at the center. So 90 degrees by 360 degrees into 22 by 7 into radius is what? 7. 7 into 7 and okay, minus area of triangle, because angle is making 90 degrees. I told whenever it is 90 degrees it will become right angle triangle, and the formula is half into base into height, which is half into 7 into 7. So what happens here? 7 7 cancel, 91s are 94s are, then 2 2s are 2 11s are. So which is 11 into 7? 77 by 2 minus 7 7s are 49, 49 by 2. So 77 minus 49, 17 minus 9, 8, 6 minus 4, 2. So what it is? 28 by 2, which is 14 centimeter square. Hope all of you got correct answer. 25B. Rocky got correct. I don't know remaining you tried or not. You can follow like this. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Area of triangle is because it is 90 degrees, half into base into height, then subtract. Okay, that is question number 25. Question number 26, hope all of you know. You have to prove root 2 is irrational. Then what we do? We assume root 2 is rational number. Let us assume root 7 is rational. Because it is rational, we take root 7 is equal to some p by q or a by b, where p comma q are co-primes. Then we do squaring on both the sides, we get 7 is equal to p square by q square. Then from this q square is equal to p square by 7. Then we write 7 divides p square, 7 also divides p. When 7 divides p, we take 7 by p by 7 is equal to some r. So p is equal to some 7r. This we substitute in 1. Then we get q square is equal to 49 r square by 7. Then after cancellation we get r square is equal to q square by 7. Then we write 7 divides q square, 7 also divides q. Therefore 7 is the common factor. Of p and q, but we took p and q are co-prime numbers. So this, after this, what we write conclusion? Since this is contradiction, 7 is the common factor of p and q is contradiction. This contradiction erased because of our wrong assumption. Therefore root 7 is irrational number. This topic is very important. Exercise 1.2, every time they are giving in every paper, most of the times either application problem on LCM and HCF or a proof of irrational number. Compulsory 3 marks question is coming from first chapter, either from proof of irrational numbers or application problem on LCM and HCF. So be thorough on this type of concept. Not only this, we have different, one rational and one irrational, two are irrationals, like that we have. Be thorough in this. Practice well. Now question number 27. Question number 27. The age of Mohan is twice the sum of ages of his two children. It is pair of linear equations in two variables. There are father is there and sons, two children are there. We don't know whether son or daughter, two children are there. So sum of two children. So we take father's age as x, sum of two children age as y. Sum of two children age as y. Then according to the first information, the age of Mohan is twice the sum of ages of two children. Then here the first equation will be x is equal to 2y. Sum of ages of two children is y and father age is x. X is equal to 2 times of y. First one. And the second, after 20 years, father's age will be x plus 20, but children age will be, because it is sum of two children are there, the 20 will be added to both first fellow and second fellow. For both 20 will be added, total 40 will be added. For father only 20 will be added, but for children, because they are 2, 40 will be added. You have to be very careful here. After this, what it is given? After 20 years, Mohan will be equal to the sum of ages of two children. Means what? These two are equal. So the second equation will become x plus 20 is equal to y plus 40. What is the second equation? Transpose y here, 20 here. X minus y is equal to 40 minus 20, which is x minus y is equal to 20. Now substitute x is equal to 2y here, then we get 2y minus y is equal to 20, means y is equal to 20. If y is equal to 20, we want the age of the Mohan. Age of the Mohan is what? X. So x is equal to 2 into y, 2 into 20, 40 years. Therefore age of Mohan is 40 years. Hope you understood this. Very good, correct. Some of you answered correct. Okay, these two are correct. Question number 27, we got 40 years. Question number 28 is from circles. Question number 28 is from circles. In the given figure, this is the textbook question. Let us take that figure here. I will give you idea how to do it. It is a textbook question. So here what I said to do in this, I said to join OC. Once you join OC, these two angles are equal because OY is bisector of angle POC. OY is bisector of angle POC. Then we take POY and YOC as A and A. Similarly, COB is the bisector of angle QOC. Then COB and QOB we will take it as B and B. Then what happens? You have to write about it first. What you have to write? OY is the bisector of angle POC. Therefore, POY is equal to COY is equal to A. Then OB is the bisector of angle QOC. QOB plus COB is equal to B. Then what? At last, after we are writing like that, we get A plus B plus B is equal to 180 degrees because it is a straight angle. Then 2A plus 2B is equal to 180 degrees. 2 common, A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Then A plus B is equal to 180 by 2, 90 degrees. A plus B is nothing but what? A plus B is angle AOB. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. Hope you remember this method. We have practiced many times. Now, For that, another question, internal choice is there. 28b, figure will be there like this. Two circles touch each other externally. We have to draw two circles like this. First circle and second circle. Two circles touch externally. Like this we have to draw. After that, AB is the common tangent to the circle touching them at A and B. So we have to draw a tangent which is touching both of them. So here it is touching A, here it is touching B. This is the common tangent to both the circles which is touching at A and B. Then he also said two circles touch each other at external point P. So two circles are touching at P. This point is P. Now we have to find out angle APB. To find out angle APB, you join AP and PB also. Join AP and PB and draw a line here through P to AB and take it as Q. Hope you understood what I did here. What you have to do, you have to write about given. What you have to write given? Two circles with centers O dash are touching each other externally at P, and AB is the common tangent to the two circles at A and B. Now join PQ, PA and PB. That is what construction. After that, we have to find out the angle APB. We have to find out angle APB. To find out angle APB, once you see here in figure, AQ is equal to PQ. Why AQ is equal to PQ? Because these two are tangents drawn from external point to the circle. AQ is equal to PQ. When AQ is equal to PQ, these two angles are equal. You can take this angle as X, this angle also X. So what you can write, angle QAP is equal to angle APQ is equal to X degrees. Similarly, again what we can write, BQ is equal to QP. BQ is equal to QP. Again there also what we can write, these two angles are equal because it is isosceles, YY. So we can write angle QBP is equal to angle QPB is equal to Y degrees. Now we take triangle APB. In triangle APB, take three angles. Angle A, angle BAP plus angle APB plus angle ABP. You know what it is? BAP is X there, X degrees. But APB is combination of X and Y. So X plus Y. And QBP is what? Y. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So what we get here, 2 times X plus 2 times Y is equal to 180 degrees. 2 we take common. X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. Then X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees by 2. So 90 degrees. X plus Y is nothing but angle APB. Therefore angle APB is equal to 90 degrees. You remember this as a formula, because if it gives in objective, if they have given in objective, you have to choose it as 90 degrees, and if they ask you to find out like this, you have to find out. Hope 28th is done. You understood? Now question number 29. Question number 29 is simple, that is to find out mode. So to find out mode, you need to know formula 29. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we have to list out all these values. What is the modal class? Which is the modal class? Because 120 to 140. In 120 to 140 we have highest frequency 70. So the modal class is 120 to 140. So lower boundary is what? 120. And F1 is what? 70, because highest frequency is 70. F0 is what? 60. F0 is 60. F2 is, after 70 we have 40, so that is 40, F2 40. And H is how much? 20. It is very simple problem, not complicated. Mode is equal to 120 plus 70 minus 60 by 2 into 70, 2 into 70, 140 minus F0 60, F2 40 into 20. So 120 plus 70 minus 60, 10 by 140 minus 100, 40 into 20. 20 ones are 20 twos are 2 ones are 2 fives are. What is the mode? Very good, all of you got already. Many of you got already. Mode is equal to 125, 3 marks. 3 marks question. We have got already. Now let's see next question. Next question is from trigonometry, identities. Most of the students, they face this one difficult. What we have to do here? We have to prove it is a 2 cosec A, tan A by 1 plus secant A plus tan A by 1 minus secant A is equal to 2 cosec A. We have to prove this. So this type of problems, what I said, you can do directly like LCM. So what happens here? Tan A into 1 minus secant A plus tan A into 1 plus secant A by what it is? A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. So 1 minus secant square A it is. 1 minus secant square A. So this is what numerator now? Tan A minus tan A into secant A plus tan A into 1 tan A plus tan A into secant A by 1 minus secant square A. Actually secant square A minus 1 is tan square A, but 1 minus secant square A, let us keep this as 1 minus secant square A. In the next step we will write it. Now minus tan A secant A plus tan A secant A will be cancelled. We have tan A plus tan A, 2 tan A. 2 tan A by 1 minus secant square A. 1 minus secant square A is minus tan square A. So one time we can cancel, 1 tan A we can cancel. We are getting 2 into minus cot A. That is minus 2 cot A. Where we went wrong? Okay, this is minus. I did not write the question properly. So, like this we have to recheck. If we did anywhere mistake, we have to do it again. Check it and go back, check it again, do it correctly. I did plus instead of minus. That's why I got minus answer. Now, if you do now again, tan A into 1 minus secant A minus of tan A into 1 plus secant A it is. So now what happens? Tan A into 1 tan A minus tan A secant A. Minus into plus minus tan A. This is minus into plus minus tan A secant A by 1 minus secant square A. So here what happens? Plus tan A minus tan A cancel. We will be having minus 2 tan A secant A by 1 minus secant square A. So if you multiply minus in the numerator and denominator, we get 2 tan A secant A by secant tan square A. This is tan square A because secant square A minus 1, secant square A minus 1 is tan square A. One time tan A will be cancelled, one more tan A will be left. Now that is 2 into 1 by cos A into 1 by tan A will become cos A by sin A. Here cos A cancel, 2 into 1 by sin A is 2 into cosec A. So like this we can prove. This is one method. If you do not know that, we have OR question also in this. In 30th we have another question. There what sin theta plus cos theta is given P. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to P and secant theta plus cosecant theta is also given. Secant theta plus cosec theta is equal to Q. Find out Q into P square minus 1. So Q is what? Secant theta plus cosec theta into sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1. So that is secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta plus cosec theta into A plus B whole square, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. So here what happens? Next step, secant theta plus cosec theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. Here what happens? Plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. We have secant theta plus cosec theta into 2 sin theta cos theta. We have to get 2p. 2 into p. P means what? Sin theta plus cos theta. So if you write 2 out and multiply these two, we get secant theta plus cosec theta is 1 by sin theta plus 1 by cos theta into sin theta cos theta. So that is after taking LCM, this is sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta cos theta into again sin theta cos theta. Here sin theta cos theta will be cancelled. We get only 2 into sin theta plus cos theta, which is P. 2p, which is RHS. Hope you understood this. Second one, another one in this. So that is question number 30. Question number 31. One identities. One question will come definitely from trigonometric identities. You practice trigonometric identities also. 1 3 marks question is coming from trigonometric identities. Practice trigonometric identities also. There you may get confused. So practice more problems. So 31 is from polynomials again or quadratic equations. Both are same. So here what it is given? Expression is given px square minus 14x plus 8. This is the polynomial and it is given one root of a quadratic polynomial is 6 times the other. So one is alpha and beta is what? 6 alpha. One is 6 times the other means one is alpha and other should be taken 6 alpha. Then what happens? One formula we know, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a is what here? B is 14, a is p. So minus of minus plus 14 by p. So according to this, alpha plus 6 alpha is equal to 14 by p. That means 7 alpha is equal to 14 by p. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So alpha is equal to 2 by p. This is one equation. Hope you understood this. Now another equation, alpha into beta. We know alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C is what? 8 by a, p. So alpha into 6 alpha is equal to 8 by p. That means what? 6 alpha square is equal to 8 by p. So we can write 2 by p in the place of alpha square. Because alpha is 2 by p, we can substitute here. 6 into 2 by p whole square is equal to 8 by p. That is 6 into 2 square is 4 by p square is equal to 8 by p. Now that is 6 4 is 24 by p square is equal to 8 by p. Now 1p we can cancel here. 8 1s are 8 3s are. So 1 is here. We got 3 by p is equal to 1. Therefore p is equal to 3. Hope you understood this. How to do it. Question number 31. You will have some different questions like this in 3 marks or in 5 marks. So to get it, you should have a complete idea in which case what to do. When it is given like this, you have to use two relations, sum of zeros and product of zeros. That is quadratic polynomials 3 marks question. Now quadratic equations 5 marks question. What it is? X minus 2 by x minus 3 plus x minus 4 by x minus 5 is equal to 10 by 3. Then how do we do it? X minus 2 into x minus 5 plus x minus 4 into x minus 3 by x minus 3 into x minus 5 is equal to 10 by 3. What I did? I did LCM here. These two are multiplied, okay? And the denominator LCM is x minus 3 into x minus 5. Like this we have to simplify. Now what it is? X square minus 2x one time, minus 5x one time, minus 2x minus 5x minus 7x. Minus 2 into minus 5 plus 10. This is the result of the first one. Plus in the second one, similarly, x square minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. So minus 7x minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12. This is the second result. By down what it is? X square minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. So minus 8x minus 3 into minus 5 plus 15. This is denominator result is equal to 10 by 3. Now x square plus x square 2x square minus 14x plus 22 by x square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 10 by 3. Now once we get this, after this what we have to do? Cross multiplication. Then what we get? 3 into 2 6x square minus 14 into 3 42x plus 66 is equal to 10x square minus 80x plus 150. Now we have to transpose all the terms one side to get simplest form. 10x square minus 6x square 4x square minus 80 plus 42 plus 38x. Okay, minus 38 because minus 80 is more, minus 38x. We should be very careful while doing simplification. If one simple mistake if it goes, our answer will be wrong. 150 minus 66, 4, 15 minus 6, 9. So 94 plus 94 is equal to 0. Then what? Everywhere we can divide with only 2. So 2x square minus 19x plus 47 is equal to 0. Now we have to take the factors of 94. 94 such that we get 19. 10x square minus 6x square, 4x square minus 80x plus 42 38 minus 38x, correct, 150 minus 66, 4, okay, here I think here we did wrong, this is 10, then this is 4, this is 80, so it is what, 84, not 94, so it is 84, 6x square minus 38x plus 84 is equal to 0. So now if you divide with 2, 2x square, oh again I wrote wrong, this is 4x square. So now if you divide every with 2, 2x square minus 19x plus 42 is equal to 0. Now we have to get the factors of 84 such that we get 19. 84 factors, 21 into 4, 21 4, another set, 12 7, 12 and 7, so we can write it as 2x square minus 12x minus 7x plus 42 is equal to 0. So 2x common, x minus 6 minus 7 common, x minus 6. So what, x minus 6 into 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So what are the answers? X is equal to 6 or x is equal to 7 by 2. Solution is x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 7 by 2. So where if we do small mistake somewhere, then we do not get the solution, it takes time. So we have to be very careful while doing simplification. This is A, 32A, now 32B. Many times I told train related, motorboat related, water tap related, speed, distance, time related are very important for 5 marks. So here also a 5 marks question, a train travels 180 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been increased to 9 kilometers per hour, it would have taken 1 hour less. Then here what we do, we follow time is equal to distance by speed. We take the speed of the train be x kilometers per hour. Let speed of train be x kilometers per hour. Then what? Time is equal to distance by speed, because it is going 180 kilometers, 180 by x hours in the first case. In the second case what happened? Speed is increased to 9 kilometers per hour. Then 180 by x plus 9. This is what, time 2. Here what happened? Whenever time is increased, it took 1 hour less. So T2 is less than T1. So T1 minus T2 is equal to 1. So what it is? 180 by x minus 180 by x plus 9 is equal to 1. Then simplification, 180 into x plus 9 minus 180 into x by x into x plus 9 is equal to 1. And this is 180x plus 180 into 9, 9 is 72, 7, 8 ones are 9 ones are 9, 7, 16, 1620, 1620 minus 180x by x square plus 9x is equal to 1. Here what happens? 180x minus 180x cancel, then we get the equation x square plus 9x is equal to 1620. If you transpose that 1620 this side, minus 1620 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. We have to solve this quadratic equation. 1620 factors, 281 0, then 2 4s are 0 5, we do not get 9, then 5 8s are 1s are, it is 4 4s are 2 2s are 4 5s are 20, 20 and 81, we do not get 9. then we take 3 21s. 27 is one factor, this is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 23 is a 60, 60 comma 27. We do not get 9. So we have to change the combinations. How we get, now the combination will be like this: 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. We have to get 9 in this. 3 into 3 into 5, 9 5s are 45. This is 9 4 36. 45 36. 45 minus 36 9. So we got the factors 45 and 36. So we have to write now this as x square plus 45x minus 36x minus 1620 is equal to 0. Then x common, x plus 45 minus 36 common, x plus 45. So what, x plus 45 into x minus 36 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 45, x is equal to 36. Since speed cannot be negative, so x is equal to 36 is correct answer. Then we can write speed of the train. Therefore, speed of the train is 36 kilometers per hour. Speed of the train is 36 kilometers per hour. That is what 5 marks question. Next, question number 33, basic proportionality theorem. I told many times to prepare basic proportionality theorem, and in circles also what all theorems you have, try to learn all the proofs. So here what you need to know the diagram. Then you have to write the statement. What is the statement? In a triangle, a line drawn parallel to one side divides either two sides in the same ratio. A line drawn parallel to one side divides other two sides in the same ratio. You have to write. Then you have to prove this. Given what we have to write? In triangle ABC, DE intersects AB at D and AC at E. AB at D and AC at E such that DE is parallel to BC. This is what given. Then required to prove. What we have to prove? We have to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by AC. In a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side, intersecting other two sides in two distinct points, then other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That is statement. Given in a triangle, DE is drawn, or DE is intersecting AB at D and AC at E such that DE is parallel to BC. What we have to prove? Other two sides are divided in the same ratio, means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. That is what. After that we have to write construction. What is construction? We have to join DC and BE. Join DC and BE. Then also draw a line EF perpendicular to AB, DG perpendicular to AC. So draw EF perpendicular to AB and DG perpendicular to AC. After that, proof. In proof, what we do? We find out area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE, which is half into base into height. Base is AD and height is perpendicular line, that is EF. By here half into DB into EF again, because base is DB, height is EF. Then what happens here? We get EF cancel, we get AD by DB. Similarly, we also find area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ECD. Here what happens? Again, half into base is AE into DG. Height is DG now. DG is a perpendicular line. Half into EC into DG again perpendicular line. So what here we get AE by EC. Now what happens? Already numerators are equal here. Area of ADE, area of ADE. Numerators are equal. Now denominators are also equal because they are triangles lying between parallel lines. Triangles lying between parallel lines and on the common base are equal. Areas of triangles lying between, you have to write that statement, areas of triangles lying between parallel lines and on the common base are equal. That's why AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Hence proved. This is what basic proportionality theorem proof, which is for 5 marks. Sometimes one more question also will be given in that, but it is not given here. You have to write just statement and proof. Now 34th question is from statistics. Let us take the table here. This is a textbook question, example problem. Median is given. We have to find out x and y. Problem related to unknown values. So here what we have to do, we have to find out cumulative frequency also. CF also we have to find. 2 plus 5, it is 2 plus 5 is what? 7, no? 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus x. Now 7 plus 12, 19 plus x. 19 plus 17, 36 plus x. Then 56 plus x. Now it is 56 plus x plus y. Now 56 plus 9, 65. 65 plus x plus y. Then 65 plus 7, 72 plus x plus y. Then 76 plus x plus y. Okay, this is what cumulative frequency. From this we get one equation here. 76 plus x plus y is equal to 100 because total number of observations are given 100. Therefore, one equation is what? X plus y is equal to 100 minus 76, which is 24. Equation 1. Now to get another equation, we have to find out median. Because they have given median 525, median is given 525, then median class will be, median class where it will be 500 to 600. Then what? Lower boundary is equal to 500, frequency is equal to 20, cumulative frequency is 36 plus x. So we have to write all those. F is equal to 500 to 600, no, F is equal to 20, CF is equal to 36 plus x, and H is equal to 100, N by 2 is equal to 50. You have to substitute all these in the formula. So 525 is equal to L is what? 500 plus N by 2, 50 minus CF 36 minus of plus minus x by F is 20 into H is 100. So here 20 ones are 25s are, we can cancel this first, and this 500 we can shift this side. 520 minus 525 minus 500 is 25, just 25 is equal to, this is 50 minus 36 is 14, 14 minus x into 5, 5 ones are 5, 5s are 25. Now transpose 14 this side, 5 minus 14 is equal to minus x. Minus 9 is equal to minus x. Minus minus cancel. Therefore, x is equal to 9. We got x value. Now we have to find out y value, substitute here. 9 plus y is equal to 24, y is equal to 24 minus 9, which is 15. So what we got, y is equal to 15, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 15. Hope you understood this. Question number 34 for 5 marks. Question number 35 is from surface areas and volumes. A welfare association ordered 100 tents from government for sudden flood in Bihar. The lower part of each tent is of the form cylinder of diameter 4.2 meters and the height 4 meters with the conical upper part of same diameter but height 2.8 meters. Find the total surface area of the 100 tents government supplied to the association. Also find the total cost of canvas used in making the tent at the rate of 50 rupees per meter square. So what? Draw the figure. Down it is cylindrical and up it is conical. Cylindrical part height, what it is given, the lower part of the tent is cylindrical of diameter 4.2, so the radius is what, 2.1 meters. Okay, height of 4 meters is conical, cylindrical is 4 meters and cylindrical part height is 4 meters. You have to be careful about this taking heights. And conical part is also given. Height of the conical part is what? 2.8 meters. Up is conical and here it is 2.8 meters. They are asking to find the total surface area of the tent. What will be total surface area of tent now? Because we do not use bottom here, base, we do not take base, only CSA of cone and CSA of cylinder we have to take. So TSA of tent is what? Pi r L plus 2 pi r H. Because r is common, we can take pi r common, pi r into L plus 2H. But the problem is we do not know slant height here. So what we have to do? First we have to find slant height. How can we find slant height? L is equal to root of r square plus h square. L is equal to root of r is 2.1 whole square plus conical height is what? 2.8 whole square. 2.8 whole square. Then what we get here? This is 441, that is 4.41 plus 2.8 whole square is how much? 8 8 is 64, 6 8 2 is 16, 6 22, 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 415. So what it is? 784. So 7.84. When you add these two, 7.84 and 4.41, result is 5, 12. So it is 1 4 5 plus 12.25. 12.25. L is equal to root of 12.25, which is 3.5. Root of 12.25 is how much? 3.5 meters. Slant height is 3.5 meters. Now we have to substitute these values in that. So what? TSA, total surface area of the tent, is pi r 22 by 7 into r is 2.1 into L is 3.5 plus 2 into height of the cylinder is 4. So that is 7 ones are 7 0.3s. 0.3 into 22 is 6.6 into 3.5 plus 8. So what it is? 6.6 into 11.5. Multiply these two. 6.6 into 11.5. 6 5 is 30, 6 1 is 6 3 9, 6 1 is 6, 0 9 6, so 0 9 15, 759. So what it is? After multiplication we get 75.9 meter square. This is 1 tent area. Like this, how many tents are there? They said that there are 100 tents. Then the area of 100 tents will be area of 100 tents is equal to 100 into 75.9, which is equal to 7590 meter square. Now the cost we have to find. For every meter square 50 rupees, then total cost will be equal to 50 into 7590. So 7590 into 5. So what it is? 5 9s are 45, 4, 5 5s are 25, 4 29, 5 6 35 to 37, 00. So what it is? 379500, 3,79,500 rupees. This is the answer. Okay, these are 5 marks questions. One more is also there. We'll discuss case study in the next class. Case study are simple only. I have sent you model paper also. Question paper I sent already. Hope you all got these case study questions because they are simple. So this is what today's sample paper. Hope you all got what are the correct answers of these. Applications of trigonometry. One case study and another case study is 5 apples are in the first bucket, 12 are in the second bucket, 19 are in the third bucket. Arithmetic progression, second case study, and coordinate geometry in the third case study. So these 3 chapters case study related, practice well. Hope you understood all these solutions. Okay, let us discuss these also. Case study 1, applications of trigonometry. So what it is given here, find the height of section A. So let us take that figure here. So this is what figure. In this figure, first question is to find out the height of section X. Section X is from B to C. So this height we have to find out. This one we know 24. Adjacent side is 24. Opposite side we have to find. So we have to draw a rough triangle like this. This is 24 meters and this angle is 30 degrees, and this section X BC we have to find. This is O. Then what we have to use? Tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side BC by adjacent side 24. Tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3 is equal to BC by 24. Then BC is equal to 24 by root 3. After rationalization, it is 24 root 3 by 3, which is 12 root 3 meters. This is first question answer. Height of section X. Find the total height of the tower. To get the total height of the tower, what you have to do? You have to take the triangle ACB. Take the triangle ACB. In ACB, we know BC, this is not, this is O, this is 24 meters, OC we know 24 meters, and this part is 12 root 3, and this part we don't know, we have to find out it. Let us take it as x. Now in this triangle this is 45 degrees, then we have to take tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equal to, total distance is x plus 40, x plus 12 root 3, because total height we have to take, total opposite side, and the base is 24. For tan 45 degrees is 1 is equal to x plus 12 root 3 by 24, transpose 24 here, therefore x plus 12 root 3 is equal to 24, then x is equal to 24 minus 12 root 3. So you can take 12 common, 2 minus root 3 is height of the upper section. If you want total height, okay, they are asking total height. When they are asking total height, they are asking total height, so no need to do like this. When they ask you total height is AC here, so tan 45 degrees is equal to, directly we can do like this, AC by 24, 1 is equal to AC by 24, therefore AC is equal to 24 meters. Total height is 24 meters. Section Y is what I did now. Section Y, if they ask 24 minus 12 root 3, if they ask total height, it is 24 meters. Now find the length of the wire OA. If you want length of the wire OA, this one we have to find out. Then this is adjacent side, that is hypotenuse. Then what we have to take? Cos we have to take. Cos 45 degrees is equal to OA by 24. 1 by root 2 is equal to OA by 24. Then what? OA is equal to 24 by root 2, which is 24 root 2 by 2, which is 12 root 2. Before it is 12 root 3 I wrote, which is wrong. 8 root 3 it is. 12 root 2, 12 root 2 meters. That is the length of the OA. Next question, one more question also they are asking. That is, find the change in the height of the tower when the angle of elevation of the top of the tower A increases to 60 degrees. So if it is increased to 60 degrees, find the change in the height. So what? Tan 60 degrees we have to take. So total height, let us take some y by 24. So root 3 is equal to y by 24. Y is equal to 24 root 3, and original height is what? 24. Then the change in height will be, change is equal to 24 root 3 minus 24, which is 24 of root 3 minus 1 meters. This is the change in the height. So hope you understood that one also. This is case study 1. Now in case study 2, questions are about arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, there are 810 apples which are arranged in such a way. So total SN is given. Total number of apples is 810. One information, arranged in such a way that 5 apples are there in first. So A is 5 apples, and one more 12 in the second basket. A1 is 5, A2 is 12, and A3 12 in the second basket, 19 in the third basket, and then so on. A3 is equal to 19. This information is given. So by this we can know D is equal to 7. Difference is 7. How many apples are there in the ninth basket? A9 they are asking to find. A9 is what? A plus 8D. 5 plus 8 into D is 7. So what 5 plus 8 7s are 56. So what it is 56 plus 5 61. 61 apples are there in the 9th basket. Then the second question, this is first question. Second question, what they are asking to find? Nth basket 68 apples are kept. Find the value of n. So an is equal to 68 they have given. That means what? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 68. 5 plus n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 68. N minus 1 into 7 is equal to 63. N minus 1 is equal to 63 by 7, which is 9. N minus 1 is equal to 9, n is equal to 10. In which basket we have? 68, 10th basket. B option, question number B is over. Question number C. Find the total number of apples in the first 13 baskets. S13 they are asking to find. 13 by 2 into 2a plus 2 into 5 plus n minus 1. N is what? 13 here again. 13 minus 1 into D is 7. Sn formula we have to use. So that is 13 by 2 into 10 plus 13 minus 12. 13 minus 1 12. 12 7s are 84. So what it is? 13 by 2 into 94. Cancel 47. 13 into 47. So 47 you multiply by 13. 21, 4 3 is 12 to 14. Then 47, how much it is? 111, 611. 611 apples are there in total. 611 apples will be there in 13 baskets. In how many baskets there are 1800 apples kept? So here Sn is given, we have to find n. Sn is 1810, A is 5, D is 7, we have to find n. So what? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, that is 810 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 5 10, n minus 1 into 7. 2 if you transpose this side, 1620 is equal to n into 10 plus 7n minus 7. So 1620 is equal to 10 n 7 minus 10 minus 7 3. So 7 minus 7 plus 3. So now this is 7n square plus 3n minus 1620 is equal to 0. Now we have to do factorization. Let us go for quadratic formula b square minus 4ac, because here finding factors will be difficult. So b square minus 4ac is what? 9 minus 4 into 7 into minus 1620. 28, 4 7 is 28, 28 into 1620, which is 0 to 8 the 16, 1, 48 1 49, it is 8 1 8 4 12. The next one 0 4 12 3, 0 6 13 5. Oh, this is only very big number it is coming. Let us do by factorization method only. We have to get the factors of 7 into 16 20. Before already we got factors like 45 and 36 for 1620. Before one time we have factorized, or if you want one more time, 1630 if you factorize, 2 8s are 10s are, again 2 table 2 405s are, again 3 table 5 table, 5 table 580 ones. Before we got 36 into 45 one set. In this we got 9. Here we have 7 also now. So 7 also we have to include in this. Then 36 into 45 into 7, which is nothing but 2 power 2 into 3 power 2 into 3 power 2 into 5 power 1 into 7 power 1. In this we have to take the combination. This is 35, this is 36. Here 1 3, here 1 3. 36 into 3, 108 here. 35 into 3, 105 here. Yes, one factor is 108, another factor is 105. So we can write it as 7n square plus 108n minus 105n. 1620 is equal to 0. Then 7 is common, n is common, n plus how many times? 7 ones are 7. 7 108. 7 is not dividing 108. 38. One 118. If it is 118, what happens? It is not 118, no? 108 only. So let us write in another way. 7n square minus 105n plus 108n minus 1620 is equal to 0. Then 7n common, n minus 7 ones are 7, 35, 7 5s are plus 108 common, then n minus 108 into 15, I think 108 15s are 1620, then n minus 15 into 7n plus 108 is equal to 0. Then n minus 15 is equal to 0, therefore n is equal to 15. Another one, n is equal to minus 108 by 7, which will not give you correct answer. So therefore n is equal to 15. 15 baskets. Total in 15 baskets we will get 1810 apples. Now here question number 38. What we have to find? We have to find out the distance between A and C. What is A? A is 2, 6. A is 2, 6. We have to find out distance between A and C. C is 8, 3. Then AC we have to find. AC is equal to root of 8 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square, which is root of 6 square minus 3 square root of 36 plus 9, which is root 45, further 3 root 5. First question answer A. What is B? In B, B is the midpoint of AC. Justify finding the midpoint of AC. So find out midpoint of A and C. Midpoint of A and C is what? AC is what? 2 plus 8 by 2, 6 plus 3 by 2, which is 10 by 2, 9 by 2, which is 5, 4.5. Even in diagram also we will be having same way. 5, 4.5 it should be, but it is not looking clearly there. So When we find out midpoint, we got 5 comma 4.5. 2 comma 6, 8 comma 3. 5 comma 4.5 is the correct answer. See what it is. Find the ratio in which the point B divides the line segment AC. Because B is midpoint, we have taken B as midpoint. Definitely, because B is midpoint of AC, B divides AC in the ratio 1:1. Find a point on x axis which is equidistant from A and B, because on x axis we have to get. So on x axis we will take that point as x comma 0, P is x comma 0. We want A is what? A is 2 comma 6 and B is what? Five comma 4.5. 4.5 or 9/2. B. We want equidistant. So we know PA is equal to PB. Squaring on both the sides, PA square is equal to PB square. Then what? 2 minus x whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square is equal to 5 minus x whole square plus 9/2 minus 0 whole square. Then what we get? 2 square minus 4x plus x square plus 6 square is equal to 5 square minus 10x plus x square plus 81/4. Then what happens here? X square cancel, minus 10x you transpose here, then minus 4x plus 10x is equal to 25 plus 81/4 minus 4 minus 36. So that is 4x, this is 6x. 6x is equal to minus 40 plus 25 is minus 15. 81/4 minus 15. So 6x is equal to 81 minus 60/4. Therefore 6x is equal to 21/4. X is equal to 21/24. 3/8. Not 3/8. 3 7s are 3 8s are 7/8. Therefore the point is what? 7/8 comma 0. Hope this is completed. Hope you got it. You understood complete paper. So like this, practice all the chapter wise questions and then sample paper questions also. Now you have very less time. Work out well, practice well. Definitely you can score 100 on 100 in mathematics. I am expecting many of you to do well and to get 100 on 100 in your final exams. We have completed less than within 2 hours. We started at 7 and we completed by 9 o'clock, 9:05 or 9:10 with explanation. So if you have everything in the mind, even in your final exam also, you can complete your maths exam half an hour before and you can check your answers whether you have done correct or not. All the best all of you again. Thank you.